Talk 43, Forklifts. In many factories, there is traffic from both pedestrians and motorized equipment, and that creates a traffic problem. We are all familiar with traffic safety programs for highways and streets. At work, the same idea applies. There are traffic risks inside the plant, and accident prevention rules must also be followed. The difference is speed. On the road, vehicles travel fast. Inside the plant, forklifts move slower. But forklifts have another danger. They move both horizontally and vertically. That makes their operation more risky. Any worker near a forklift must take extra precautions. And operating a forklift requires skill. Watch a good operator. It takes training to maneuver safely in tight spaces. The operator must be careful at all times. One mistake, turning a corner too quickly, and a worker could be struck. That is why operators are trained to drive slowly, especially at corners. At blind corners, they must use their horn. This warns others and avoids sudden stops that could cause accidents. But pedestrians also share responsibility. They must be alert. At blind corners, they must be ready for a forklift that could appear suddenly. Forklifts are for materials only. They are not for carrying people. Both operators and workers nearby must respect this rule. The operator already has many things to focus on. Any help makes the job safer. For example, pedestrians must stay out of the forklift's path. Stopping suddenly can cause the load to fall, and that can injure the operator and others nearby. Another common mistake is carrying the load too high. This is dangerous. It can tip the forklift when turning. The load should always be carried just a few inches above the floor, high enough to clear obstacles, but low enough to stay stable. Never overload a forklift. Always respect its load capacity. On loading docks, operators must keep distance from the edges. A fall into empty space can be fatal. We can help operators by keeping aisles clear. No clutter. No obstacles. Forklifts and workers share the same aisles, but with cooperation, harmony is possible, and accidents can be avoided.